So use the structuring assignment to extract values from objects. Replace the two assignments with an equivalent structuring assignment. It should still assign the variables today and tomorrow, the values of today and tomorrow from the high temperature subjects. So const today and tomorrow is equal to high temperatures. Use the structuring assignment to assign variables from objects. Replace the two assignments with an equivalent structuring assignment. It should still assign the variables high today and high tomorrow, the values of today and tomorrow from the high temperature subjects. So const today, high today, tomorrow, high tomorrow is equal to high temperatures. Use the structuring assignment to assign variables from nested objects. You replace the two assignments with an equivalent structuring assignment. You should still assign the variables low today and high today, the values of today.low and today.high from the local forecast object. So today low today and high today. Is equal to local forecast. Next is use the structuring assignment to assign variables from arrays. Use the structuring assignment to swap the values of A and B so that A receives the values stored in B and B receives the values stored in A. So A and B is equal to the value of B and A. Use the structuring assignment with the rest parameter to reassign array elements. Use the structuring assignment with the rest parameter to perform an effective array.prototype.slice so that R is a subarray of the original array source with the first two elements omitted. So const or A and B and R is equal to list. Next, use the structuring assignment to pass an object as a function's parameters. Use the structuring assignment within the argument to the function have to send only max and min inside the function. Const max, const half. Let's change this one to max and min is equal to the arrow max and min. Next, create strings using template literals. Use template literal syntax with backticks to create an array to list elements li strings. Each list elements text should be one of the array elements from the failure property on the result object and have a class attribute with the value text warning. The make list function should return the array of list item strings. Use an iterator method, any kind of loop, to get the desired output shown below. Const failure items using for loop. So for let I is equal to 0, and then I is less than r dot length, and I plus plus. Failure items dot push less li class is equal to text warning. Then r1 I rather, and then li. Okay, let's try. Okay, next, write concise object literal declarations using object property shorthand. Use object property shorthand with object letters to create and return an object with name, age, and gender properties. So return the name, age, and gender. So let's just erase this one. Next, write concise declarative functions with ES6. Refactor the function set gear inside the object bicycle to use the shorthand syntax described above. So const bicycle gear to set gear for new gear. Then this dot gear is equal to new gear. So const bicycle gear to then gear to then set gear to new gear. Next, use class syntax to define a constructor function. Use the class keyword and write a constructor to create a vegetable class. The vegetable class allows you to create a vegetable object with a property name that gets passed to the constructor. So let's create a class. So class vegetable constructor name so this that name is equal to name. Oops. Okay. Use getters and setters to control access to an object. So class thermostat constructor Fahrenheit. So this that